Okay, I'm here, about to record this video. I hope everyone's day is going good. Let's hop straight into it. I just want to remind y'all that, well, for where I live, we got Flash PMI at 845. President Trump speaks at 850. Richmond Manufacturing Index happens at 9 a.m., 11:35 a.m. Fed Chair Powell speaks, and at 6:20 p.m. President Trump speaks again. So very volatile. Um, I feel like lows. I feel like these all-time highs are about to either go really high or we're just ready to take out all of this liquidity that got absolutely pumped into the market. Big spikes up, big legs up. We another all-time highs coming down. Just market is pretty much moving sideways. Ain't gonna be taking any trades during this London session. So there's really no chart setups that I can give you on it, maybe except for Bitcoin here, but we'll get into that here in a minute. But I just wanted to remind that like I'm probably not gonna take trades during London session. I'm definitely gonna wait for all this news to pretty much hit. Well, I'm looking maybe to take a trade after Flash PMI comes out. So in that uh 9 to about 11:30 ish, right before Fed Chair Powell speaks. Probably gonna take a trade there and there. Um, but really low, really low risk that I'm gonna probably gonna be taking. Yeah, it's just gonna be absolutely crazy. I'm gonna be watching that market like a hawk. So that's pretty much it. I mean, the markets are mimicking each other. I don't know why I got drawdowns and liquidity way down there. I don't know what I think I might actually put that there. That's my bad. Let's get rid of that. Cause I mean, well, we might come down here, but I mean that would be really bad. If we decide to take out all that liquidity here. Probably gonna, honestly, we probably maybe take out that much. Like obviously wicks, but probably not gonna be taking any trades. Now on Bitcoin, I might be taking a trade or two because I feel like we'll probably push down lower. Honestly, that's what I'm looking at. Maybe shorts, or I mean we can get a retest into here. Let me deep dive into this. But there's not really much to talk about other than the news that's coming out. Because I mean, I figure we're just gonna be moving sideways until the news comes out. So there really ain't nothing to talking about ES, unless we have, you know, Flash PMI, President Trump, Richard Manufacturing, Fed Chair Powell, President Trump speaks again. So that's happening, and then we have a huge sell-off. I feel like this is gonna be the largest sell-off of the entire year. I mean, we went from 115 down to like 111. So huge sell off on Bitcoin here. We're starting to maybe get legs up. This is probably the retest that I was looking for. So probably gonna be taking longs, maybe, possibly. Um, but I mean, we could easily get a close above here. I mean, this could be the manipulation, and then we go, gunshot downwards again, maybe another sell off, but I feel like this was the, final stretch that we needed to take out. We do have a slight SMT divergence here, and we also have another bearish SMT divergence here. So, maybe want to take out this drawn liquidity first before we, you know, start looking at longs here, get a little bit of manipulation, come down, or we manipulate a little bit, move sideways in here and then shoot on upwards. So definitely gonna be looking at this. I might trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin is low key been really good. So it's been very good to me. So definitely gonna be looking at this. It just honestly depends if we manipulate either here or we decide to take out these highs and in short. I would like to see a little bit more manipulation to the downside and then a push halfway and then push on even higher. So just waiting for manipulation to happen. Definitely gonna maybe take a trade here. This is very well trade opportunity here. So I'm just waiting on manipulation to probably hit, like a 5 minute break of structure. See, we're already getting that manipulation to the downside. So that even, you know, further furthers my bullish bias here. Just waiting for a deep dive, maybe manipulate here. It's just honestly, I'm just waiting for that to hit, and then we are green from there. Um, I'm just pretty much just waiting now, just giving y'all hour by hour updates on like what I'm looking at coming into this very volatile market. So I just wish y'all the best here, because I mean these are the scariest times. Like this news that's gonna come out tomorrow, people not might not be like known about it, and then their funded accounts are just gonna get thrown in the dumpster, or their stop loss for their funded accounts. I mean, this is where stuff gets blown at, and it's just like, I mean, y'all put on all these hours, and then just boom, $50, no, like $200 gets blown, and then y'all gotta redo it all over again. So just be cautious and be aware. So that's why I'm posting another video today, because I was able to gather the time. I'm recording this at like 1:04 a.m. So really stretching right now. So let's move on into some growth and development today. Let's focus on that today. So it says, like, embrace your uniqueness. Recognize it's okay to be different and unique. From you have a unique perspective in its strength. So you being unique in these markets, people might not really understand what Bitcoin or stocks are. So I mean, y'all are pretty unique. We're definitely in the minority of people. And it also says, uh, failure is a stepping stone. Don't let failure define you. Instead, learn from it and use them as a growth and opportunity. So, those two things we do need to very much embrace. Everybody's unique. Everybody has a different strategy. Don't bash them because their strategy is slightly different, and they make money that way. So, I mean, if that strategy works, then I mean, obviously go with it. Like, this is not like, oh, this one strategy is the best strategy. You only got to use this strategy to make money. Just combine them. Like I use different trading strategies from a lot of people, and you just combine them and you make something out of it. So that's what that's what I like about trading. You can combine different strategies and then take from them and learn from them. So, but if it gets you to having your P&L green, then it was all worth it in the end. And we're already getting that leg up here. So that just is great. I would like to see it come down slightly more. Slightly more. That's why I had my green box here. Cause I was hoping it to, dip into here. So that might be the manipulation that we needed. Let's see on 15-minute here. Sorry, I just stopped in the middle of my motivational speech for the manipulation that I was looking for. So that even I might want to take this. Really like to see it come down slightly more. But let me keep going on it. So, embracing your uniqueness and failure is a stepping stone. Don't let it define you. Just, you know, keep going. Like, don't let what people say to you, everybody has something to say. Embrace your uniqueness. Embrace your uniqueness. I like that one a lot more. I mean, failure is destined to happen. You will fail, and then that P&L will be green. So it's a stepping stone. Ooh, that is great. I would like to see a little bit more. Okay. So that's pretty much all I wanted to come here and say. Just waiting for this manipulation to close up here, and I'm probably going to take this trade. Embrace your uniqueness. Let's see more green P&Ls. Please be aware of this news, and I love each and every one of y'all. I need to get this video out, and I think I'm going to need some sleep. I love y'all. I'm going to see y'all later. Take care.